So today we're making a dessert in the Instapot. We're making white chocolate raspberry cheesecake. Come take a closer look. It's a light cheesecake with a raspberry filling and a homemade whipped cream on top. Really simple to do in the Instapot. A lot of people are intimidated, but this really isn't as hard as it seems. So come along with me and let's make some cheesecake. We're gonna need about 3/4 of a cup of graham crackers, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. 3 packages of cream cheese, 8 ounces each. Some vanilla, approximately 1½ teaspoons. Some sour cream, about 3/4 of a cup. 2 eggs and 1 egg without the egg white. Some white chocolate chips. You're gonna need about 4 ounces. You're gonna need some raspberry jam or spread, about 4 ounces. And for the whipped cream topping, you're gonna need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. You're gonna need a 7-inch springform pan with a removable bottom. And I use a new ring just for my sweet desserts in my Instapot. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna take some parchment paper and trace the bottom of my springform pan. This is to help release the cheesecake from the bottom of the pan when I'm ready to serve it. So I'm just tracing the bottom and then I'm gonna cut it out with some kitchen scissors. I'm gonna place the parchment paper inside the bottom of my springform pan. Place it down at the bottom. Get my Pam cooking spray, my canola oil, and spray the bottom and sides really well. I actually wiped it out a little better that I didn't show you here on the screen. Now I'm getting ready to make the crust. I'm taking 3/4 of a cup of graham cracker crumbs. I'm going to mix it with 2 tablespoons of sugar, and about 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now I'm going to pour my graham cracker mixture into the bottom of my springform pan and push it very firmly against the bottom and the sides of the pan, making sure that around the crease that it's not too thick. I'm going to use my fingers, and at one point I'm going to actually use like a cup just to push it down very firmly. Now it's time to make my filling. I'm putting my 24 ounces of cream cheese, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla, my 3/4 of a cup of sour cream, 2 large eggs, 1 egg yolk. Mix it well. 1 cup of sugar. Mix that in. And my 4 ounces of white chocolate chips melted. Now I'm going to put in about half of the filling at the bottom of the pan. Put in some raspberry filling. Then top it off with some more cheesecake filling. At the top, I'm gonna dab some raspberry and I'm gonna swirl it with a knife. As you can see here, I'm changing my ring to my dessert ring, as I call it. My green ring is for desserts. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 cups of water to the bottom of my Instapot. Add in the trivet that comes with the Instapot. Now you can see I've made a little foil sling. This will help me lower my cheesecake into the pan and also take it out. And I'm going to go ahead and close it up and get it ready to cook. The cheesecake only needs to cook for 38 minutes in the Instapot. We let it cook, make sure it's on sealing, and let it go. Now that it's done and the pin has dropped, it's time to pull out the cheesecake. I use my silicone little grippies and pull out my cheesecake. After refrigerating overnight the cheesecake, I'm getting ready to make the whipped cream topping. I'm using the heavy cream, put in the sugar, and I actually put in a splash of vanilla also. I'm gonna beat it with my mixer until it looks like it has stiff peaks. Then I'll be able to put it in my piping bag and put it on top of the cheesecake. As you can see, I used a knife to separate the cheesecake from the edge of the pan. I'm going ahead and decorating it and just putting on some whipped cream little swirls on the edges of the cheesecake. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give my video a thumbs up and comment down below. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be informed when the next video is available. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.